Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you how to use Git Bash as your default terminal instead of PowerShell in Warp. So as you might have known that Warp has been launched for Windows. If you don't know, just go and download it. It's an AI powered terminal. You will get an access for Cloud Sonic 3.7, which is the latest one, and other models as well. So currently, as you can see, by default, it will be set to your default terminal, which will most likely be your PowerShell. So to change that, you just have to go to the settings, which is right here on your icon. You can also click Control comma. So just go to the settings on search bar, search for shell. After searching that, you will get the option. You can select simply git bash, and you can also change your default terminal, but that's not recommended. Don't do it until unless it's required. Just save it. Like, you don't have to save it; it's auto saved. Whenever you open new terminal, or you can say new tab, new session to be precise, you will get an option to use git bash. So that's it. As you can see right here, I'm able to use all the commands, and you are getting the suggestions right here. So that's it. Thank you for watching.